Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to create product categories in your Shopify online store. Here I am going to share step-by-step guideline so that anyone who is very beginner with Shopify or just started their online business with Shopify and wanted to customize design Shopify online store by themselves or by yourself, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here you can learn everything as a beginner without any technical skill, without any previous experience. So let's get started. First of all, you can see that here is my Shopify online store, and this is store for custom case cover, you see. And we wanted to create categories. Also we wanted to add categories on the menu navigation in here. Okay, so to create categories of this store, we have to go to our Shopify admin panel at first. So I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. You have also log in your Shopify admin panel, then you will find same interface on your account dashboard. Then you have to click on the product, and you can see that there have a collections, and you see there have few collection in previous I have created, but right now I'm going to show you from scratch. That's why I'm going to click on the create collection button in here. So click on it, and now as we are living on the, that's mean we use AI in every single life of our online business. So I'm going to open ChatGPT, then add some prompt. Store product is, so I hope you understand what I have right in here. My store product is custom case cover. Share 6 relevant product collection names so that I can add on our store. So I paste enter, and here is the 6 product collection name. So first, personalized phone case, this is my collection name, so copy it or you can type it. So you see, then I'm going to add something more. Write basic description for each collection name. That's mean we want to add some basic information about each collection name. So copy it. You see, we have to add more content to explain better way to our audience so that they can learn everything about this collection. Then we have to add product image. For example, I'm going to add a single product image from here. For now, just okay as demo. And then we have to add product. For example, we are going to add this product. Click on the add, and we can sort by best selling, product title, highest price, lowest price, newest, oldest, manually. So you can control everything from here. Then you can do SEO related work. For example, add meta description. It's very important to rank your store on the search result organically. Okay, so you have to add meta description. You can write meta description using ChatGPT. Very simple and easy. Just add comment in here. Write SEO friendly meta description for personalized phone case. You see, here is the ready meta description. Simple, very simple. Okay, then we have to click on the save. So this is the very basic and easy way to add categories on your Shopify online store or create new categories on your Shopify online store. Also assign the product, write meta description, add image, and make it publish. Now we are going to learn how we can add these categories on the menu navigation. So to do this, go back our Shopify admin panel. Okay, then click on content, menus, looks very carefully. Click on the main menu, and we wanted to add a navigation under shop. So click on the add menu item, click on the link, category or collections, then personalized phone case, select this one, save, and now move it under shop. Looks very carefully, yes. And now click on the save and go back our store and reload again. Press Ctrl F from your keyboard, yes. You see, and down arrow icon, click on it. Here is the product collection menu item in here. looks here. So if I click on it, there is the product that we have added. You see, product description, product title. So I hope you understand how to create product collection in your Shopify online store, and add product, add content, and make it public, and finally add this collection on the Shopify store menu section as a menu item, or make it under drop down or main menu item. That's mean make it drop down menu. So super easy. If you follow this guideline, then you can do it by yourself. Also, you will get a lot of video guideline on my YouTube channel relevant Shopify store design, development, or customize. Also rank your store organically on the search result. That's mean I have a well popular SEO playlist on my YouTube channel. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress, or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.